under the curse. All right, YouTubes. I forgot to film the drive out here. We're here. I just got done doing a maintenance downtown, and then I came over here to this job. This is one where they said they were cleaning out the unit yesterday and broke the fan blade on a true unit, I believe. Let's get in there and take a look at it and see what we're getting into. Look, we're already here. Parked. Let's get in there. Tippy, he should be in good shape, man. We just came from a job. Let's see. Yeah, there he is. He's kind of tipped over. God, we didn't even make it like 5 blocks, Tippins. Come on, brother. Let's get the knee pads and some gloves on and we'll get in there. You know, when I was a younger mechanic, we never wore gloves and my hands would be stained black. And God, who knows how many chemicals absorbed in through my skin from all those years of doing that. That was stupid. I'd highly recommend wearing gloves every job. Even if if your boss ain't buying the gloves and you gotta buy them, I'd do it for all you younger technicians. Just a heads up. Well, they said the small ones. I don't know if that's this one or if it's that one. This one's definitely bigger. This one only has one fan. Let's see what's going on inside of here. Found it. It's the true, and it's that style. Camera in there. I don't stock these. I have to order that. I think the fan blade's built into the motor on those. Yeah. Let me get it down in here where you can see. Yeah, the fan blade's built into the motor. So let me get model and serial number and order up. Ooh, that's going to be expensive. Yeah, let's see which tag on these ones. I might have to scan the QR code for the model and serial number on this one. I don't see the tag in there. I don't see it on there. I don't see it on there. Going?
Good. How about you?
Oh, gotta order up some motors. These ones are like special, so I don't stock them. Let me get the model and the serial number of this dude. Alright, I had to pull the unit out to get to the back to find the QR code. There's my model and serial number right there. Let's get a picture of that. So it'll have your model and your serial number. We can look that serial number up real quick. See how old this one is. For the price of that fan motor, they could probably get a whole Eventco reach-in. Oh, this one's the drawer unit. Let's have a listen to this other fan real quick. We should probably get them 2. We should probably order 2. Just make it a 3-piece kit. We'll get 2. All right, let's look up this serial number. All right, if you go to True's website, they have the serial number lookup. Here's our unit. In June of 2017. So 9 years. That's not bad. I'm gonna recommend that they get both evaporator fan motors. Let me see what they say. So stay tuned on this one. We'll have to do a follow-up. I don't stock those. All right, so I looked up the evaporator fans on Parts Town. Look at the list price for these fans. $847 for one. Ouch. Maybe we're only replacing one. I better get in touch with my customer. Stay tuned. So here's a dilemma. That True Fridge is from 2017. It's got the original coil, evaporator coil, and the original compressor. So the coil's probably ready to spring a leak or already weeps. The 2 fan motors would be about $1,600 in parts. I could probably swap them out pretty quick so the labor wouldn't be too brutal. But look, they could get a whole brand new Magali 4-drawer prep station for $3,000 if they wanted to go off-brand. Okay, that's one where you got to step back and look at the unit completely and see what the customer wants to do. They might want to go Eventco. I think they have some Eventco ovens that they're happy with, so they might do the Webster Special Eventcos, which I'm fine with. I don't mind. My concern is that I put $800 worth of motor in there and then the coil leaks next week, and then I got to give them another quote, you know, for a bunch of money to replace the evaporator coil, which I already know it's a weeper. Now that I think back on it, I'm pretty sure that evaporator coil is a weeper. If it's not, it's going to be soon. It's 9 years old, so I would yeah, I think it just sucks. I think they broke the fan cleaning it. It would have been just fine, but with all this R290, those fans are kind of proprietary. I'm taking off the knee pads and the gloves right here. We got Niners Seahawks tonight. If you're watching this video, the game's probably over. I honestly don't have a feel of how this game's going to go. I mean, the Seahawks defense smashed the Niners so hard last time. I honestly don't have a feel how we're going to do, because it's in Seattle. The only good thing is we're not in those black uniforms, so we won't play like the Raiders again, so that's good. We'll play like the 49ers in our 49er uniforms, and we'll have that going for us. And I really don't have a feel on the game one way or another. 7-point spread. I could get the Niners in 7 points. Means we're probably going to get our asses whooped, but we shall see. If the Niners lose tonight, then I'm going to go for the Broncos the rest of the way. But then I don't know if they play today. They might lose today too. I just like the Niner players that are on the Broncos. But like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Go Niners.